So there are many indicators you have to pay close attention to if you want to see a certain trend happening. I talked about that yesterday's video. Links in the description. Please watch this. And very importantly, I want you to learn to do this by yourself. At the end of the day, right? Yesterday, I can foresee so many people following signals. Do you know how bearish it was yesterday? It seems that everyone is talking about how bearish it's going to be. Everyone, this is how signal groups will ruin you. So you have to be very careful, right? And at the end of the day, they are not going to be taking responsibility for your trades, and no one should, no one will. So you have to have the responsibility for yourself to learn this skill. And this is a lifetime skill, right? Learn this skill for yourself so that you can have more ownership. You can take more responsibilities for your trade. And you will realize you're not trading like a headless chicken anymore, because now you actually are properly equipped with the skill to take trades and obviously to find profits in the charts. So Discord members, if you have joined me, please review. Very importantly, you have to understand what I'm trying to say, where I'm getting at. See it for yourself day after day after day after day, and from there you will learn and review. Very, very important.